This is absolutely overwhelming. It's absolutely overwhelming. And like it is so overwhelming. It's so overwhelming. Oh my gosh, it's overwhelming. If you were here to judge, I'm gonna need you to leave right now. I'm gonna need you to leave right now. Because I am a single mom. This is a fixer-upper, and I'm constantly doing some type of project or renovation in my home. But this tends to get like you just seen, and I'm over it. My brain can't process, they can't think straight, it can't do nothing until we get it clean. So let's go clean it. First thing first, I eliminated um, things out of my toolbox. So we're gonna take that, bring that in the kitchen, right? Other things is I have a couple paints that I feel like I can intertwine, even though they're different brands. They are the same type, like all white semi-gloss or all white satin or whatever. If I've had any paints that kind of look like they can be intertwined, we're going to do that. So we're gonna, like, I got 3 different whites here, but we're gonna figure out what type of finish they are, and if they can be put together, they will, and I can get rid of a container. I'm going to pull that container out. We're going to bring that in the middle of the floor. And this is going to be a silent clean. I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm just going to go through my stuff, kind of sharing it with you. And we're going to show you once again the before and what it looks like. And then we'll come and do a after at the end. You'll see that. But let's get into it. All right. Enjoy. This is absolutely overwhelming. It's absolutely overwhelming. I'm hoping I can combine those two, but y'all, it's so overwhelming. Like it is so overwhelming. It's so overwhelming. Oh my gosh, it's overwhelming. But I gotta do it. Oh my gosh. Hey, my getters, I literally had to change clothes. As you see, I was in a muumuu and I started sweating, and I realized that my muumuu was ripped, so I was showing my goodies. I had to crop that out. So that's why you see me go from my muumuu to my scrubs, which I was saying to myself, let's put the scrubs on when I first started. But I'm like, no, we're not going to dirty up something else. We're just going to, get this muumuu sweaty and then shower. But yeah, so that's why I did change clothes. But it's all in the same time. I just got comfy, and then at the end you'll see me and my other muumuu. But yeah, all right, enjoy the video. All right, y'all, so I gotta sweep this up. I gotta do something with all these towels that I use for cleaning. I started at like almost 2. Y'all, it is 4:10, okay? So what we have here is all the paints and stuff. And what I did was I left my epoxies over here. If you had an issue with rodents or think you might have them, get you some of that steel wool. I tucked all the holes that look dark or it seemed like I can see through them with steel wool, and then I put a metal thermal tape so no air or anything can get in here. I left my epoxies here. That big black stain you see is when I spilled my black paint. Y'all, I swept under my island. Oh my Lord. Look at this. This is what I'm living in. This is disgusting because I be trying to clean this and it doesn't come clean. It stains so bad. So when I say I'm still in the middle of renovations, I am. I got to do dishes from breakfast this morning. I tell you, I am tired. I am extremely tired. I just don't know what it is. Like, sometimes I don't want to share stuff because I don't understand it. And I know it's something spiritual. Oh my gosh, is that a groundhog? Yep, look it. Right while I'm in here talking to y'all. It ran. Dang it. It was right there on trash, y'all. So they still out here. Oh my gosh. Well, good thing I got this stuff pinned down. I went and got those pins. But anyways, y'all, I did it. I did it. When I tell you, I did this, when I say I was sweating like a pig, I literally just got out the shower, dried off, lotions and all the things, right? It is 5 o'clock. When I started this project and I pulled the other chair on this side, it was like 2. It took me over 2 hours and some change. Only thing I kept over there is the big jar paint. All the paints are here now. My floor cleaner is here now. I kept the epoxy, and I got a box of my old jars from IKEA with my seasonings. I'm gonna clean them out, do a giveaway or something. So a whole box of those. Y'all see I did that. That was black paint that spilled. Can't do nothing about that right now. I didn't lock my island in, so one drawer is kind of back and one, I gotta lock the wheels on that. But guys, I feel so much better when I tell you this was a lot of work. I cleaned the dishes, everything is clean. This was a lot of work. A lot of work. I'm happy it's done. And I actually pulled it over. When I tell you it's a lot of space in here, look at this. It's a lot of space in here. I don't know if y'all realize it, but this is a nice size area. I think I still want to push it back because remember where it was, you only could see a little bit of that black paint. That's how I know it's like almost a foot further that way. So I'm like, okay, God, no more procrastination. I did it. It's done. Let me dim that. I did it. It's done. Whew. Checking that off my to-do list. Yeah, I get out the shower and I hear this noise. I don't know where the noise comes from. I'm looking all over the place. I'm not thinking of looking there in my office. Look, y'all. So when I come in here, what's wrong? Something's wrong. You see that vine? That go all the way right here? I was supposed to cut that this morning, but you see that vine? Look at this, y'all. Somehow the anchor just fell, which is weird. I did the same one like that. It don't move, it ain't rocking. And hit my plant that I just repotted and put in a new pot. Broke. I'm gonna do it short too, but yeah. This is something, when y'all don't understand how it took everything in me to clean and reorganize my toolbox and clean off all that stuff on that island. Take that stuff. I took stuff to the garage. I took stuff to the trash, the recycling bin. I swept the floor, scrubbed the paint off of the island. There was so much paint that was stuck to the island. I did that to sit down and relax. Clean off that, because remember, it was stuff all back there. Clean off all that. It's for that to fall. Now leaving something on my brain that I gotta do now. Because in my brain, I'm like, okay, next thing is I'm probably gonna go live and do a live carpet cleaning on how to use this, right? And then I gotta tackle this little bit of stuff in here, figure out what I wanna do with it. So I'm like, okay, God, that's checked off. Now I gotta move all that stuff. Take those cushions off, vacuum that soil, pull that vine down, propagate it so all those leaves don't die. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was the before and after of me cleaning my island. And y'all can't see it from this end, but this thing is just as long as the benches. I gotta cut them the way they are. I got it pulled back because I got my floor cleaner right there. So yeah, but it's supposed to come over a little bit more for all the benches, because all the benches do fit under there evenly. I still got to build something around this and hide the cabinets and all that. That's in the future. So this is what I mean when I'm saying like it's still renovations in progress. So I love y'all. I am about to get me some lemon water, sit down and just relax till it's time to go get my baby, because mentally I am so frustrated. I know for sure I'm gonna go in there, pull that vine down and cut it and put it in some water. I know I'm gonna do that for sure. As a matter of fact, I just threw this clear cup away. I need it now. Yep, we're gonna use this cup to propagate. All right, y'all. I love you guys. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back later, gators.